Hey guys, Vintage Harbor Breeze, etc. here with a ceiling fan video. Today we're going to be checking out this 20-something inch, I believe, Westinghouse ceiling fan. I do not know the model name, so please let me know in the comments if you have any information to give me. Blades reverse. From bleached oak to matte black. Got this from a friend for free. And yeah, works great. It's got a LED candelabra bulb in it. Test it out. I'll turn off my extra lighting so you can see how bright this bulb is. It's not bright at all. Which is why I have it in here, because this is my reading lamp. Start off with low. Makes a whole bunch of random noises half the time, so any noises you hear are normal for the fan. Well, didn't come like that from the factory. This is how I got it. Really annoying clicking sound. When I hold down on the pull chain, it makes it worse. Oh, I see what it is. The wires are hitting the motor. Alright, that's solved. That sound wasn't normal. I didn't know that was the wire causing that. Here's medium. The wire sometimes gets loose like that. I've had a fan with screws sticking up on the top, just like this one, and the wires were rubbing the screws so badly, the fan disconnected itself. Now high. And if you're wondering the airflow, here you go. Pretty impressive for a Westinghouse. Alright, and off. Yeah, this fan's a real treat. If you ever do come across one of these online or on Marketplace and need a decent air mover, I would definitely choose this. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my Halloween special. Vintage Harbor Breeze, etc. out.